Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you live from our headquarters in Atlanta. Today I'm going to talk about the top interior accessories for Cybertruck. We've been working on the Cybertruck for over a year now. I can't believe it's been out that long, but it has. And throughout that time, we put a lot of effort into curating the best of the best, all of those must-have accessories for inside the Cybertruck. I'm going to talk through the top several today. Let's dive right into it. First, let's start with the screens, and of course, you've got screen protectors just like you'd have for your cell phone. This kit from T-Sportline includes screen protectors for the front center screen and for the rear display screen. Simple to install, simple protection from kids, pets, whatever. Let's talk about T-Sportline's swivel screen mount kit. You can bolt this in and actually rotate the center screen left or right, up and down a little bit, so you can dial it in. If you're driving, get it tweaked so it's facing you, makes it a little easier to reach, no glare. Or if you're charging and your passenger wants to watch a video or something on the screen, rotate it the other way. And of course, if you're tall or small, you can tweak it up or down, get it pointed exactly where you want it. Next, we've got the Carplay screen. This is something exclusively from T-Sportline. We've got the mount that bolts on right behind the center screen. We're gonna show you. You can see it in the truck here. Very easy to bring Carplay or Android Auto to your Tesla Cybertruck. Plug and play installation, no splicing or dicing of wires. Next, center console. Inside the center console, you're going to notice the rubber organizer that comes with the truck is prone to just slipping and falling into the center console. So we've got an injection molded hard plastic two-piece nesting kit here. These fit into the center console and these will not fall in. So it's very convenient. You've got the organizing in here, two pieces, but the best thing is put them in place and they don't fall in. Now, accessorizing up front, we've got this silicone organizer that drops in right in front of the center screen. Put your sunglasses up here, toll tickets, whatever, easy and convenient. And if you're one of those that charges your phone in the center console slots, you know the phone gets hot and crumbs and things get in there, so we've got this silicone liner. It's gonna keep the phone a little cooler and gonna make it easy for grabbing the crumbs and getting them out of there. Then the lower center console on the floor. It's a great area in between the front seats, but everything slides around in there. If you want to stop it from sliding around, we've got the custom fit carpet insert, just drops in there, keeps everything from sliding around. Or if you really want protection, we've got this full injection molded silicone liner that goes in there. It's going to protect it, keep things from sliding and making noise. And of course, if you get dirt in there, you can pull it out and wash anything. And by the way, I know this is all about interior upgrades, but this is one of the most popular we've had. This is a center cap insert. For those of you that want to take the stock aero covers off, or maybe you didn't even get the aero covers from Tesla, T-Sportline's got this plug-in center cap so you can use the stock wheels and not have that nasty open exposed area on your wheel. These just plug and play. Come with T-Sportline center caps. We also offer it with Tesla center caps. And we can't talk about interior accessories if we don't talk about a phone mount and a phone charger. And of course, the super rigid phone mount that we have, left side of the steering wheel, is the ultimate for attaching your phone and charging your phone. There's nothing better than getting the Cybertruck interior outfitted with all the best upgrades and accessories right here from T-Sportline. Center console insert trays, silicone liner, CarPlay dash, swivel screen, accessory for behind the screen if you don't have a swivel screen, and of course the phone mount, all the way down to protection and floor mats. You can go to tsportline.com. We've got all these upgrades and accessories on the site. Easy for you to shop through on the site. Pick whatever works for you. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll cover the best exterior upgrades and then the bed accessory upgrades and off-road accessory upgrades. Everything's coming your way soon. Thanks, everybody.